my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
We have checked out this film's teaser or trailer. It's available on the channel. The wait is over. Here's the most awaited Rebel Saab full lyrical song from the movie Raja Saab, bringing you the most whistle-worthy treat on the big screens on Jan 9th, 2026. So this is absolutely gonna be a must, right? The Raja Saab starring Prabhas, Sanjay Dutt, Boman Irani, Malavika Mohanan, Nidhi Agarwal, Riddhi Kumar, Zarina Wahab. Okay. Written and directed by Maruti. Producer T.G. Vishwa Prasad and Kriti Prasad. Co-producer Ishan Saxena. Music by Thaman S. DOP Kartik Palani. Okay, that's enough. That's a lot. Hindi auto-generated to English. ये थोड़ा अजीब सो जाएगा because it's actually in Telugu, right? So why is it auto-generating from Hindi? Whatever, let's go.
he got flow, he got style.
He got flow, he got
Make
style.
it move with a smile.
Hey.
Everybody step aside, watch out, come in a vibe.
Oh. Raja is coming to vibe. Vibe. River star.
Rebel Saab, Rebel Saab,
Romantic,
Rebel Saab. Astronauts step aside, looking for a ride. Rebel Saab, romantic, Rebel Saab.
Romantic.
Step aside, looking for a ride.
Oh, he's looking for his bride. Gotcha. It's so colorful. There's all languages. English, Telugu and Hindi. Pan India number one. Rebel Star. It switched up suddenly. The classical is beautiful.
చూడగానే దిమ్మెత్తిపోయే బుజ్జి పండు పుట్టనే లేదా టింగుమంటూ తన గుండెలో ఇంకా పెళ్లి గంట కుట్టనే లేదా అరే మట్టి
The beat is really good, huh? So she's the bride. Banger. Oh, the tractors. It's actually vibe, huh? It's actually vibe. Rajasthan. They have used multiple languages in the video to connect with a wider audience. Good world appeal. The whole world was completely vibrant. There was a switch up later on that came with a little bit classical vibes that gave me a lot of good feels. Overall, the music was very upbeat and happening. And as they already mentioned the bit that he is a pan-Indian star, and that shows with the musical choice and the way they have just celebrated this track with the main hero here being the Raja Saab, he himself, Prabhas Anna, right? I see you guys calling him Prabhas Anna, that's the reason why. Even I am gonna call him that. Obviously, it looks a lot musty core, but the title itself gives out that he's gonna be rebellious and God knows what is gonna come. So let's stay tuned on 9th Jan 2026 as the movie releases then. Let's check out some of the comments. This is not a song, it's an emotion for every darling and Thaman fans. I know, right? This song, first time normal, second time good, third time addicted, fire. This for me, it's the first time, so it's kind of normal. But when the chorus played the second time, I was able to feel the josh that you guys showed in the comments. How many Indian Prabhas fans attendance love from Odisha? So fans are gathering up again from Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, everywhere he has fans because he is a pan-Indian star, of course. Song Mamulunga Ledu Anna, Jai Prabhasanna, Jai Prabhasanna. Indeed. Star ante rebelera, rebel ante rajera, raj ante rebelera. So I'm gonna guess that he has said something fabulous and I'm gonna agree to that, okay? I think he said star means rebel, rebel means Raja, Saab probably, and Raja's rebel is gonna happen, something like that. Just gonna guess it. Sounds good. Waves, love. Taman music will never give fresh feel. I think this person is the only disappointed guy in the comments. Vintage Prabhas and the colorful song. Vintage, I'm not really sure about, but yeah, colorful indeed. Let's check out the next one. Divine, You and I. Kalyani Priyadarshan, producer is Zoravar. Alright, You and I. Artist is Divine, lyrics by Divine and Anand Bakshi, composed by Divine and Zoravar, producer is Zoravar, yeah. Mixed and mastered by Hanis Taneja and Luca Pritolsi, I think. Recorded by Shubham Patil and labeled by Gully Gang Records. Alright, we have checked them all out and let's go to the song itself. Cool. Yay! You and I by Divine. So it's gonna be a remix.
खड़ी सामने वो लगती खलीफा बुआ चलती तो लगता है पिज्जा ते पीगा जब देखती वो शीशा पापराजी नहीं फोटो खींचना फोटो खींच वो लगती बनीता फोटो खींच वो लगती दीपिका वो जब चलती तो लगती है चीता वो जब सामने तो सब लगे फीका मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी डॉक्टर डिवाइन और मैं रखता दवाई भी
डॉक्टर डिवाइन
मेरे साथ मेरे भाई भी
किससे के लव
कितना सताएगी कब नंबर में लाएगी सिर्फ हमको घुमाएगी तू You want me tonight, me too, girl. और तेरा प्यार मेरा नशा मेरा शौक हो गया वो कहती मुझे स्पॉट हो गया ऐसे लगा मुझे लॉक हो गया ऐसे लगा मुझे ब्लॉक हो गया तेरा प्यार मेरा नशा मेरा शौक हो गया वो कहती मुझे स्पॉट हो गया ऐसे लगा मुझे लॉक हो गया ऐसे लगा मुझे ब्लॉक हो गया खड़ी सामने वो लगती खलीफा वो
complete love.
पिज्जा
Admiring the beauty of the chick, right?
फोटो खींच वो लगती बनीता फोटो खींच वो लगती दीपिका वो जब
लगती
चलती तो
दीपिका।
लगती है चीता वो जब सामने तो सब लगे फीका
Pika. Like the part though. How the line drops.
मिलना चाहती वाइफ है मिलना चाहती चाय पे दे दूंगा मैं tell me how you like it दोनों करते वाइब है बाकी सब है साइड में कभी हम मुंबई तो कभी हम दुबई में दे दो तुझे शाइन तेरी चिटिया का लाइव है बाकी मैं डिवाइन तेरे लिए मैं वो चाइल्ड है स्टे ऑन माय ग्राइंड तेरे लिए सिर्फ टाइम है स्टेज ऑन माय माइंड मेरी वाइब यू डिफाइन है
He's a baby. A baby.
मेरे पास मैं कमाने भी दूं मेरी जान कब जानेगी तू मत मान परेशान फिर जाने भी दूं पैसा मेरे पास भी कमाने भी दूं मेरी जान परेशान फिर जाने भी दो खड़ी सामने वो लगती खलीफा गोवा चलती तो लगता है
Song has a good vibe.
पीगा जब देखती वो शीशा पापा राजी नहीं फोटो खींचना फोटो खींच वो लगती बनीता फोटो खींच वो लगती थी पीका वो जब चलती तो लगती है चीता वो जब सामने तो
चीता।
फीका
She's pretty. I love the fit of Divine more though. His fit, the red one, was kind of cool. So seeing Kalyani Priyadarshan on the video came out as a surprise because even while I was reading the description, I don't think I actually catched that that who actually was gonna come in guest appearance. But yo, the entire song had this tropical feel, their outfits, him all chill, upbeat. Here, the lovesick Dr. Divine giving a lot of love to the beautiful women, right? That you know, she's looking in the mirror. She looks like Deepika. She walks like a cheetah. She's everything great. There's nothing wrong about her. I'm ready to work hard, put the food on the table, right? I'm ready to do everything for her. In front of her, I become a child who's more loving, caring, expressive, and you know the baby itself. He's a baby, guys, in love. A video absolutely nice. It was great to see Kalyani once again after Loka, and what a great collaboration. Let's check out the comments now. Unexpected Divine X Kalyani Priyadarshan. Exactly, unexpected. So much. Like I just forgot her name. That's the reason why I did not mention while watching the video. But yeah, now that we checked out, like, yeah. Old Divine, please come back. We want your Gully Gang album. So yeah, everybody is looking forward to Divine coming and giving us more of his beautiful songs. Oh bhai, ye kis type ka collab out of a box, khatarnak Divine way. Pataka, boom and fire. So yeah, everybody has the same reaction as me that Kalyani and him. Yeah, what? The video concept giving more vibe to the song. Yeah. Neely, what are you doing here? Neely is the new love of Divine's life. Being honest, even Divine's creativity has been brought to death due to commercialism. So this is a commercial track anyway, so don't expect too much of lyricism. This is just him, the Divine, being a bacha in front of the women. There's nothing more to it. I didn't see much either. Like, more of Divine's lyricism could probably come out in the upcoming tracks. I like this part. Divine can't imagine that this guy used to write songs like Kohinoor, 359 and Kam Chabbis says. So I understand, like, people are kind of disappointed. This is a commercial track and you know love songs always work. So it's fine, just cut him a slack. Can't believe they got the same cleared. Go crazy in the album Divine, Kalyani Priyadarshan, shocked. So they're all just bamboozled by what just happened. And there are two remarks. One is kind of good and the other one is like, we want the old Divine back with more lyricism, with more raw feelings that he brings to the table. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon if you enjoyed both the songs. I will see you on the next one hopefully very soon. So bye.
No filter, I got no filter, no